Hello, and if you're part of the fam already, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Amber, and this is About That Mama Life. On my channel, we do videos like the one you're going to see today of the magnetic lashes. I do skincare, beauty, unboxings, reviews, tutorials, recipes, and do-it-yourself videos. So if you're interested in that mama life type content, then consider subscribing to my channel. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have on the Ardell Magnetic Lash Accents, which is just it's about a 3/4 lash. The way I have them on starts right about here and fans out to the end. These say they're easy to apply, no adhesive needed, they're reusable, and they're just the magnetic lashes. So you've got a top lash and a bottom lash, and they magnet together. And for somebody like me, that was super attractive because I don't do false lashes. I can't handle all the glue, they're uncomfortable, and something that I could just quickly take off and quickly put on, and that's reusable, sounded like a good investment to me. So I just purchased these today. It took me about 15 minutes to get comfortable putting them on. I had to try about 3 times each lash. However, that's coming from me, who is a novice at putting on false lashes. So if I could do it in 15 minutes, if you're used to wearing falsies, you should be able to clip these on and go. So I did a lot of research and watched a lot of review videos, and the full lashes didn't seem to look as natural or as nice. They seemed to kind of stick out funky. So I opted to go with the accents. So let's zoom in on my face and I will show you how I take them off and put them on. So here is a close-up of the lashes, so you can see them put on. I find that they blended in really nicely with the eyeliner, and although you could see the magnets if you got right up in there, they looked pretty natural. I'm going to be looking down into a mirror so you can see how I take this off and on. So I have them on now. I'm going to pinch and kind of gently move my thumb and finger to take them off. I do have mascara on, so that is my normal lashes with mascara. Here they are with the accents. And now I have a top lash and a bottom lash. Now I'm going to show you how I put them on. I take the lash and I start about 3/4 of the way in, and I set it on my lash line where I would normally wear lashes. And then I take the bottom, hold it straight up, and place the magnets one at a time, and there's 3 to get them to click it. And sometimes you have to just kind of them where you like them. And then I just try to mix my normal lashes with them, and voila. So that is it. I definitely give these a thumbs up. I think they are easy to use. I think the learning curve is easy to jump on. They are pretty comfortable once you get used to wearing them, and I've had them on for about an hour now, maybe an hour and a half. And at first they were a little chunky feeling because I'm only used to wearing my natural lashes with mascara, but after I've had them on for a little bit and I just kind of messed with the magnets for the first 10 minutes and really placed them to where they were comfortable, I really like them. They're comfortable. I think they look really pretty. They blend in, and unless you're right up like looking up and down at all the different angles, you really can't see the magnets. I feel like they blend into your lash line, especially if you have some eyeliner on, really well. So all in all, I think for a novice like me or a beginner who is not comfortable with false lashes but really wants that va-va-voom, these are great. I do like the accents. There's the package. I just picked them up at Walmart. I think they're great, and I will definitely be using these again. I won't use them every day because I'm not a false lash everyday kind of person, but every now and then when I want to add a little drama to my eyes, I think these are a really great option, especially because they're reusable. So all in all, they are mama approved. I give them a thumbs up. If you have tried these, please comment down below. Let me know what you thought, and if you like this video, please help a mama out and like, share, and consider subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you guys being here with me today and hanging out, and make sure you stay tuned because I have some really cool DIY videos coming up soon. So I will see you soon, and you have a great day. Mwah.